Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about expression of time. Please do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's start. Expression of time in past tense, in present tense, in future tense. Let's start. In the past, nowadays, next month. A long times ago, these days, next year. The day before, right now, in an hour. Recently, as we speak, soon, in 2011, today, way off in future, yesterday, this week, the day after tomorrow. A little while ago, this month, eventually, an hour ago, this year, tomorrow, this morning, at the moment, next week. When I was born, now, in the near, last week, at the time, later this evening. Do you like this session? Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.